Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to talk about a problem that I noticed on old smartphones. This is a Samsung Galaxy S6 normal version, not Edge, and we're gonna need a needle, let's say a needle about this. We only need, okay, so here inside the charging port and on the headphone jack we're going to clean this up because we might have dirt in there. Actually, I'm gonna need this other part because I'm gonna need the air. Okay, so after removing let's say the dust, or we are going to put the needle here and press it just to put some air on it. We see that we have a lot of dust here, but we're going to do it carefully without damaging the charging port. Okay, so obviously this device can charge wirelessly, but this can happen to you if you have a J5 or a J4 or some other old smartphone. So just clean the charging port with a needle, clean the charging port and the headphone jack. Okay, so this was the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next one.